First, the heater must be installed in vertical version direction like, and you also need to hang on the wall. And now we have an operation like we first turn on the heater and then we set the temperature into 14 degrees. Then we open the door. Here we show the setting temperature, and here we show the outlet water temperature. Right now the outlet water flow is about 2.8 liters per minute. And here we show the working time. Like if you take shower for 10 minutes, it will show 10 minutes here. And now the temperature already reached 40 degrees.
You connect the plug?
Normally we don't equip with plug connection, as normally for plug connection the current restriction must be lower than 16 ampere. But for our heater, it is 8 kilowatts, so the current is up to 36 ampere. So it is much higher than the plug connection standard. So for the safety, we don't recommend to equip with plug. We will equip with 1 meter 6 square meters power cable to you. So you just need to connect with your own air circuit.
Yeah. Okay, we have another color in this line.
Now we are showing the red and black color to you, but we also have another color is silver and black. But if your order is up to 500 pieces, you could customize in other colors and other patterns for you. Yeah. And the back side we have equipped with 2 hangers, so you just need to hang on the wall.
And whether it have a certification.